going on, buddy? What do you want? You hungry? You hungry? Yeah? Where's your food? Where's your food at? You hungry? Come on. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and yet another vlog. I'm super stoked today because we got the VRSF Intercooler and we're going to be heading over to Pat's from Pat's Garage Online to install it. I got it loaded up in the car right now. Let's run out there. There she is in the trunk, ready to go. All right, so Evan had to work today, so he can't be with us, but I got my other son, Jason. He's going to be rolling along. Where are you at, Jason? I don't know if you guys have met Jason before, but he's going to make his debut today. Got anything to say, Jason?
If you're new, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. That's
right. So we're going to head out of here in a minute. We're going to grab some grub. I'm not going to make you go through all that. We're going to make a Dunkin' run, and we will see you at Pat's. All right, guys, we're here at Pat's from Pat's Garage Online. If you haven't checked them out, make sure you do. Pat's Garage Online on YouTube. Ari's back there. Got Jason here. Rebecca's back here supervising. So we're going to get this on the lift and get her started. With these quick jacks, it makes lifting a car a breeze. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do when we get underneath the cars, we're going to unscrew these 8mm screws to take the plate out. All right, so with the bottom plate out, next thing to do is we're going to take these T25 torque screws out, one on each side, and that's going to remove this bottom pan. Guys, when you're taking this bottom pan out, make sure you're wearing eye protection because there's a lot of dust and debris. You don't want to get that in your eyes. And the next thing we're going to do, let me see if you can see up in there. There's a clamp right there. We're going to take off. There's one on each side. There's one over there. And we're just going to use a pick tool to get those off. So if your pick tool don't work, just grab a flathead screwdriver. There we go. Just pop it off there. Now we want to push it back. This pipe here. Be careful of this hose. Once you get that pipe, it's not completely off. I just want to loosen this out. These two lips on each side sit inside this track. You just want to pop it over this lip and then it'll slide out. Knock some of this debris out. And that's the removal process. Easy peasy.
Is this the official unboxing?
This is the official unboxing. Yeah. Comes with some new, comes with those clamps because it sits lower. I'll show you how to do that.
Wow, that thing looks like artwork. It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Let's put it side by side. So there's the VRSF, and there's your OEM one. So it comes with these clamps that are going to mount here at the bottom. Where's it at? Right here. And this is because it's going to sit lower and it's not going to reach since this is smaller. They give you these clamps so it screws in just like the OEM did.
Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make this car be a donk. So keep an eye on this, subscribe, click that like button, and hit the ring bell for notifications because you're not going to want to miss this.
The screws they come with to put those brackets on are the hex 5mm. All right, so it comes with these screws like I said, a lock washer and regular washers. Let's put them on. Lip up. I'm gonna put them on by hand first. And we'll just repeat the process on the other side. Just be careful to tighten these because they are aluminum. They don't come with instructions that give you a torque setting or anything, so just gonna do it hand tight. So a little tip, I'm gonna put a little oil around these inlet and the outlet just so that pipe can slide on a little easier. You see how tight it is right here. This bracket here and this metal. This part's tough to get in, but I recommend you doing the other side first because of that hose. Putting that up and in first so you're not pinching that hose, and then do the left side.
Before you push up, we got to take this bracket off here because it's going to pinch this hose. I figured that'd be easier than trying to, while you get it up, I'm watching this thing pierce a hole in this hose. And I'm like, that's not going to be good. You have lots of clearance back here for this pipe. Like it could move. This is what direction do you pull the pipe in to get it to move back? There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we should give it up.
That was it. Pat. That was it.
All right, so now that we got it up in there, I have the pipe over top. I just got a little bit more. I got to push it down in, and then I can put this lock clip, set that back in place, and then put this final screw in on this side. We should be all wrapped up.
And on this side, we did have the bracket in place, but because this hose is here, it's actually better to not install the bracket right away because it'll pinch the hose as you're pushing the intercooler up in. So I'd recommend taking that bracket back off if you've already installed it, or just put the bracket on after you pushed it into place. That way you can move this rubber hose out of the way and get clearance to everything you need. So yeah, it's kind of difficult here when you got to push these in as far as you can. Obviously, and being oiled up helps, but yeah, trying to get them pushed into place and get them to click is the difficult part.
There it is.
So making sure that these are loose, well, at least the top part, allows us to have room to move this back and forth.
Yep.
Trick.
Oh, and also use your OEM screws. Don't use the ones that VRSF sends you for the brackets that go into your car, because they just don't work properly. These grab better. We're all done putting the intercooler in. The bottom bracket that went here, the cover, this does not go back on. You just leave that off and put the belly pan on, and that's it. All right, guys, we got it all wrapped up. We're gonna hook up the Dragy and test some 0 to 60 runs and see if there's any improvement there. So we did a few runs with the Dragy. The best one we got that was valid was a 5.22, right, Jason?
Yeah.
And I'll put the actual report right here. Shows the DA, the slope was perfect. I'm real eager to put the BOOTMOD3, the Stage 2 tune on and redo a 0 to 60. Other than that, Rebecca and Pat were outside recording, taking some pictures as well. And what do you think about the install? I think it was pretty easy.
It was easy.
Yeah.
I mean, there were just a few things that to keep an eye on and making sure you got that clearance and lube up the inlet and the outlet, and it was a breeze, I thought.
Yeah. Other than, you know, taking it out's easy, putting it back in was a little difficult, but I mean, overall, compared to installing the downpipe, it was a breeze. So, again, Pat, thank you for your time. Thank you for helping us. Rebecca, thank you. Jason, say thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Smash that like button. Stay tuned for the Stage 2 tune. And we will see you in the next video.
Chuki beat.